So the first question, the Sun Temple at Konark is an example of which of the following styles of temple architecture? Option number C, Nagar. Question number 2, which of the following is the fastest mode of passenger transport in India? Number A is the right answer, air transport. Question number 3, which river flows westwards through the peninsular plateau? Option number D, Tapi. Question number 4, which of the following is the fluid substance in a cell? Option number D, protoplasm. Question number 5, which of the following is commonly kept in refrigerator to absorb its odor? Option number C, sodium bicarbonate. 6, Hemis festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian Union territories? Option number D, Ladakh. 7, as per the basic road statistics in India 2018-19, which state had the largest rural road network in India as on 31st March 2019? Option number D, Maharashtra. Question number 8, the esophagus in the human body belongs to which organ system? Option number C, digestive system. Question number 9, what is the role of ribosomes in a cell? Option number D, protein synthesis. Question number 10, which of the following is best describes the demographic dividend? Which of the following best describes the demographic dividend? Option number D, boost in working age population relative to dependents. Question number 11, which of the following is the primary function of the skeletal system? Option number B, providing support and structure for the body and allow for the movement. 12, who acts as the head of the union government? Option number C, the Prime Minister. 13, who can seek the Supreme Court's advice under Article 143? Who can seek the Supreme Court's advice under the Article 143? Option number A, President of India. 14, which of the following languages were added by the 92nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, Bodo, Dogri, Maithili and Santali. 15, the Sariputra Stupa, the most impressive structure at Nalanda, was built by which emperor? Option number C, Ashok. 16, how many freedoms are guaranteed under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution? Option number C, 6. 17. Which temple in Himachal Pradesh, built in Nagar style, is made of wood and stone and dedicated to goddess Hidimba? Number B. Hidimba Devi Temple with its wooden roof. 18. Which fundamental right of the Indian Constitution was removed by the 44th Amendment Act 1978? Option number A. Right to property. 19. Who has the authority to develop powers and responsibilities to panchayats? Option number C. State legislature. 20. In summer, when the Thar desert becomes very hot, what kind of pressure area forms over North India? In summer, when the Thar desert becomes very hot, what kind of pressure area forms over North India? Option number A. Low pressure area. 21. Which of the following states is not part of the National Waterway One of India? Option number B is the right answer, Himachal Pradesh. 22. Which among the following Indian naval ships developed for underwater rescue and deep sea operations was commissioned with special grade steel plates supplied by Steel Authority of India Limited? Which among the following Indian naval ships? Option number B is the right answer, Indian naval ships, Nistar. Question number 23. Who among the following founded the India House and the Indian Sociologist in 1905? Option number C. Shyamji Krishna Varma. 24. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, was established in 1982 based on the recommendation of which committee? Option number C. Shiv Ravan Committee. 25. Who was the leader of the Indian National Congress during the Lucknow Pact of 1916? Option number D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 26. It's 26, okay. Kanat Purkastha was elected unopposed to the Rajya Sabha in June 2025 from which state? Option number C. Assam. 27. Which tax is directly paid by individuals to the Government of India? Option number A. Income tax. 28. Which scheme was launched in Budget 25-26 that will be implemented in 100 low productivity districts? Option number D. PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. 29. How many seats were secured by the majority party in the Delhi Assembly elections held in 2025? Number C. 48. 30. Which Indian female cricketer became the first to score a century in all three international formats in June 2025? Option number D. Smriti Mandhana. 31. In February 2025, who set a new national games record in men's 20 km race walk with the time of 1 hour 21 minutes 23 seconds. Option number D, Servin Sebastian. 32. What is the full form of GST? Very easy question. Option number A, Goods and Service Tax. 33. Which team did Jharkhand defeat in the final to win Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy 2025? Option number A, Haryana. 34. According to the data from the National Statistics Office 2023-24, which age group has the highest unemployment rate in India? Option number C, 15 to 29 years. 35. Which of the following Indian states is known for the Sambalpuri language? Option number A, Odisha. 36. Who was the founder of the International Congress? Option number B, Alan Octavian Hume. 37. Which Indian state or union territory recently launched the DG Lakshmi scheme to empower urban poor women through digital jobs and businesses? DG Lakshmi scheme. Option number C, Andhra Pradesh. 38. Which major administrative change did the British government introduce after the suppression of the revolt of 1857? Option number D, direct rule by the British Crown replacing company rule. 39. Which organization in India is responsible for estimating domestic product using different methods? Option number C, Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation. MOSPI. 40. In June 1857, which Queen of Jhansi joined forces with the Sepoy to fight the British? Option number B, Rani Lakshmibai. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.